Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our Islamic channel Islam the Infinite Light. Let us learn more about Islam. Today we are going to discuss the meaning of one of the most powerful dua from the glorious Quran. Rabbana Atina Fid Dunya Hasanatan wa fil akhirati hasanatan wa qina adhaban nar. This dua should be recited daily as this dua is asking from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala about the good in this dunya and the akhirah. So let us break down this dua word by word to understand more clearly. Rabbana means our Lord. It has Rabb as a root word which means Lord or Allah. Rabbana means our Lord. Atina means grant us or bless us. Atina means grant us. Fid Dunya. It has two separate words, Fi and Dunya. Fi is a preposition and it means in, and Dunya means world. So Fid Dunya means in world. Fi Dunya. Fi means in and Dunya means world. Hasanatan. Hasanatan has Hasana as a root word which means betterment or which is good. Hasana means which is good. Hasana which is good. Wafil akhirati. Wafil akhirati. These are three words. Wa means and, fi means in, and akhirati means hereafter or the next world. Wa means and, fi means in, akhirati means hereafter or next world. Then the word hasana comes once again in this dua, which means betterment or which is good. The things we do are good, that is called hasana. Waqina. It has wa and qina. Wa means and qina means save us. Wa means and qina means save us. Adaba. Adab means punishment. Adab means punishment. Adab or adaba means punishment. The last word in this dua is an-nar. Nar means fire. Nar means fire. All the words in this dua are very important and they are repeated many number of times in the glorious Quran. We will revise the dua once again. Rabbana Atina Fid Dunya Hasanah wa fil akhirati hasanah wa qina adhaban nar. Rabbana Atina Fid Dunya Hasanah wa fil akhirati hasanah wa qina adhaban nar. Means, our Lord, grant us good in this world and in the hereafter, and save us from the punishment of hellfire. Rabbana, our Lord, grant us Atina. Hasana means that which is good, and Dunya is world. Akhirah means hereafter. Qina means save us. Adaban or Adaba means punishment. Nar means fire. Thus, the full dua in English. Our Lord, grant us good in this world and the hereafter, and save us from the punishment of hellfire. This dua is mentioned in the glorious Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 201. This dua must be recited daily. Hope you have understood the meaning of this beautiful dua. Jazakallah khairan for watching.